Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Detergent Dispenser bracket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new detergent dispenser bracket. The detergent dispenser bracket helps hold the detergent dispenser on the door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to take the door apart. First thing we're going to do is open up the door and use the Torx 15 driver to take out the screws that hold it together. We're just going to remove the 4 screws on each side so we can take the front panel off. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to lift the door up and the front panel is going to drop down. Once you have it free, you can just lift it off and set it aside. Once you have the front panel off, we have access to the part. It's right here on the middle of the door. We're just going to take some tape and tape this shield out of the way. Once you have it taped out of the way, we're going to use the needle nose pliers to remove these wire harness holders. Just have to compress the locking tabs and pull them out. Once you have the holders out, we're going to disconnect the wiring harness from the wax motor. We're just going to pull the wires out of this little holder right here. Then there's a locking tab. We're going to press on it with a flathead screwdriver. Then carefully pull the plug out. Once you have it out, you can just set it aside. Then we can use the 3/16" nut driver to take out the screws to hold the bracket on. Once you have all the screws out, you can pull the detergent dispenser bracket off the door. Here's the old detergent dispenser bracket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you install the new bracket, you just want to make sure that the shields are still in place. Then we can grab the bracket and put it in place. Just have to line it up with the screw holes and hold it in place. Then we can grab the 3/16" nut driver and put the screws in. When you're tightening the screws down, you want to make sure that you tighten them down enough so the gasket pulls up against the inner door panel and seals. Then we can grab the wiring harness and plug it in. Just want to put it in and make sure it locks in place. And then we're going to put the wires underneath the little holder here and route it back over the top. Then use the clips to hold it onto the bracket. Just have to push down on them and lock them in. Once you have them locked in, we're going to grab the tape and pull it off and let the black shield fall down. Once you have it in place, we can put the front panel back on. To put the front panel back on, we're just going to line up this tab on the door with the bracket on the frame on each side. So all you have to do is line it up and set it in place, then push it forward and lift it up and pull the door open and use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.